Hey guys, thanks for coming back. This is Nick Watson again at Joseph Motors. I'm going to share another vehicle we've got. It's a 2015 F-350 that we've got. This is an extended cab, all-wheel drive. It's only got 70,000 miles on it. In really, really good shape. Dual rear wheel package, sliding top package on it. Full walk around on it. It's in really, really good shape. Got a tow package on the back. It's got the locking top. This is a really nice feature. The real gem to this is the inside, which is in really good shape. It's got the safety package on it. That's going to be power windows. Excuse me. Does not have power windows. I'm sorry. It's going to have the side impact airbags, knee blocker airbags, frontal airbags. But there's no rips or tears in the seats. It's just in really, really good shape. If you need any information on this four-wheel drive unit we've got in stock, I'd like to share it with you. You can give me a call at 919-661-2886, or you can visit us on our website at josephmotorsnc.com. And we'd love to hear from you. If you got any questions on this 2015, man, give us a call. 919-661-2886. This is Nick Watson. Thank you.